Hey, what are you saying? How are you guys doing? Caught me trying to open it without you guys. Sorry. I went to quick peek, you know. I wonder what it could be. I wonder what this could be. You might know from the title. You know what? You're not gonna know from the title. I'm gonna give it something different. If you don't know who I am, you're thinking, who's this guy just speaking like, you don't know this in this box? Well, I'm Phillslifestyle. This is my channel. It's all about manga, anime, games, computer upgrades, all that. Well, I don't know, let's just open this box. I don't know, as I say, I don't know what I talk about. Yeah, but what do you lot talk about? I don't know what you lot talk about. This guy don't look like he don't get... Come on now, what's wrong with you? It was funny though, it was funny, you made me laugh. That was a good one. But yeah, let's get this open, No, I like you lot in the comments, you lot are too funny. I love it. Yeah. Next time I'll get a scissors. That hurts still. Alright, you ready? Camera person, come in, let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow, let's go. You see it? Let's get this up. Let's see the smile on my face. How happy I am to have one of these babies. It's all white, as you can see, with the RGB at the top. You know why it's all white, because I got the white case. So when I pop these in, it's gonna look beautiful. Beautiful. That's the idea, and the RGB should technically stand out more because it's white. Who knows? We'll find out. Let's get this baby off. So I'm quickly shut down. Oh, you lot are sick. The names you've come up with, I can't lie, Nath, I think it is. Unity, that is correct. You know what? I need to get your name right. Let me just get your name. That's crazy, because that name you came up with, you're a winner still. You are a winner. Let's get that name quickly. Yeah, N-A-H-T-E. Oh, Oasis. I just saw that one. I like Unity better though. Unity. I love it. How do I do it? Let's shut this down quickly. But basically, I bought the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro all white RAM 32 megahertz, well 32,000, was it 32,000 or 3200? 3200 megahertz, 2 gigabyte cards will equal 16, and obviously if you know your maths, I bought 2, so that means 4 RAM, all adds up to 32 gig. Remember to subscribe and like the video, all that good stuff. Let's get these in. Anyway, let's get this baby open. Let's get Unity open. She's got a name now. Alright, let's get the screws off. I know you don't love to see the screws coming off. This time I'm going to do a better job at it. Look, I'm being so much neater this time. So let's just do it properly. Until you don't hear. So I'm going to hold it right here so the glass don't drop off. There we go. Let's get this baby off. Boop. Off. Give me a quick look inside, Chris, before I lay it down flat. Nice. So I will be removing those 2 there. I'm either gonna give them away or I'll most likely put it in a new budget PC, what may come later on in the near future sometimes. Right, let's get it open fairly quickly. Alright, let's get the box open so we can get these babies into Unity. That's the name so far, by the way, people. Wow, they look big. Why are they so big? My days. Alright, let's get them open. Oh, nice. This way, right? Why do they do it like that? But anyway, that's how they be looking. So if you could come over here, Chrissy. Alright, my lovely people, if you could see, I've got the ASUS Tough gaming motherboards, and I've got the HyperX RAMs just here. So I'm gonna get these out. So by getting these out, you click the button just there, click that button just there, slide out just like that. This is the one that came with Unity. This is the one I brought separately. I got a lot of wrath for having 2 different RAM in there, but all it was, one was RGB and one wasn't. They worked fine together, to be honest. Now we can get the beauties in. So I'm gonna click all the stuff open. You see? So it's nice and easy to slot right in. I ain't complaining. It makes life so much easier for me. Let me just get these beautiful babies in now. Remember I was saying earlier, these RAM are pretty big, so I might have a problem. Let me just show you the comparison. You see? So now, I might have a problem with my CPU. I don't think it's gonna fit underneath. So for now, I'm gonna use 3. I could technically use 2 and just use 16 like I was doing before. It should go up by, once you push it in, and you know it's secured, it goes up by itself. Should I use 2 or 3 for now? I know you're not gonna kill me in the comments. I know. I'm gonna go for 3. But I know a single does not run as well. The performance, I would not get good performance off a single. It's always better dual. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. We use 3. Messed up, you know that. Now, if I open the next box, would I be able to return the other one? As long as you don't tell no one when I opened it, I won't tell no one. So let's give it a go. If it works, we'll stick it out. If not, we're returning those and getting ourselves a single. Let's see. If you know any suggestions, I might be able to take the CPU off and then put it in, then put the CPU back on. Not the CPU. Not the CPU, the fan. The fan. But anyway, let's get these in and see if the computer turns on. They look nice already, don't they? Don't they, Chris?
Yeah, they do.
Alright, the last one. Alright, let's open this one carefully because we might be returning this one, guys. So I'm going to open it really slowly. Don't tell no one. Chris, are you a snitch?
I'm a snitch.
I knew you were a snitch.
I'm joking.
Look, that's opened perfectly. Look, they'll never know I opened it. I love the way these RAM look. But anyway, let's get this in. Let's get it in quick. Oh no, look, I'm bending it up. They will know now, Chris. They'll find out. Corsair, why are these so big though, man? I know these RAM ain't new, but oh, they're massive. Right, everything's clicked in. It's nice. Let's get this glass panel back on. Okay, let's go. We got the RAM in. Let's put the power on. Got any lights on the motherboard? Any red lights on it? No, we're good. We're good. The RAMs are on. Is the screen turned? Ooh, we got the screen on as well. Let's go. We're on. We're in. We're in. So tell me, well, I need to check the BIOS before I do anything. Did I press it in time? Did I press F2 in time? No, I didn't. Alright, we got the RAM in. We got the RAM in. But Houston, we got a problem. I thought the 3 RAM would work together. I thought we would be able to run a dual and a single. Probably minor performance issues, but unfortunately, the 3rd RAM's not even coming up. If you come closer to the BIOS, Chris, you can see I'm only running 2 RAM sticks at the moment. So my next idea is either return those RAM sticks or figure out how to get 3 running. You know what? I know it's not good. Is it good to use a single 16 RAM stick? 2 single 16 RAM sticks? Let me know in the comment, because that could be the next idea. If not, I'm going to have to keep it at 16 from now until I figure this out. But yeah, to all my lifestyle players, to everyone watching today, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for everything. Remember to like the video, leave your comments. I enjoy your comments. I can't wait to see the comments. I'm going to get roasted. I actually can't wait to see the comments. But yeah, I'm Phillslifestyle, people. Remember to subscribe. Have a good one. Keep on gaming on. Keep on loving.